At TMJ, we have two types of assisted door lifters. There is this manual lifter, and there is this electronic one that uses suction to hold the door onto the lifter. First, we demonstrate the manual assisted lifter. The door is first lifted onto the lifter and secured into place using the ratchet strap. Once it's securely in place, it can be moved into position by the frame. Brakes are then applied and the door can be raised forward. The two adjustment handles can be used to adjust the position of the door to get the hinges lined up. The hinges are then screwed in before removing the ratchet strap. The lifter is lowered away from the door and removed from the area. The door is now installed. Now with the electronic lifter, the door is lifted into place and the suction turned on. It will beep to indicate the suction is not ready. The door is attached with a strap for safety. The door must have a smooth surface for this lifter to work, otherwise it will not get good suction. Once in place, the door can be adjusted to line up with the hinges and then they can be screwed into place. The strap can then be removed and the suction turned off. The handle can be spun to lower the lifter down and then it can be moved away. The door is now installed.